Whew, that was heavy. Hi guys, welcome back to the workshop. I got something good for you today, and also for me of course. It's this big metal cutter. Let's try it out. Really curious to see the insides of it, you know. It was the best version that I had online, with 2 years of warranty, and most interesting part that I wanted is the big discs. It has 355 centimeters diameter. So inside the box, ooh, this is electrifying. Inside the box you can see straight away the angle grinder, which I wasn't sure if it's heavy or not. Or if it has a brake or something. What the fuck was held by this? Maybe this thing? Yeah, this pin. It has a pin over here which prevents him from popping out. But yeah, in order to get him out, I'll have to use the chair.
Maybe if I get you out, then what? I'll be able to put it back. No?
Okay, I made it. Oh, there's some glue? Don't tell me. Okay, let's put it over here. Okay, so out from the box, it came with some manuals in Romanian. Yeah, only in Romanian. Also some extra spares part in case that they are burning or something. And whoa, you can see how big it is and heavy. Yeah. What's happening here? I need to hold it over here in order to drag it all the way. Ah, so this is the short version, I think. And this is the lock, which comes out only when you are, yeah, makes sense. So you can cut also on 45 degrees wood. And take a look how big it is. It's really big. It has a protection over here, which is a bit loose side. Not sure if it should come. To be. So, what is this one? Not sure what this does. Okay. What is this doing? Not sure also. That's it, nothing much to say about it, you know. It has a trigger over here, protection in case of, you know, that you accidentally let it go, and that's it. This is the cutter of metal from and also this is the mesh disc. Is this screw? This one, in case I want to move it on different holes. Looks good. Okay, if you have questions about it, down in the commentary section, and I will answer as fast as I can. And yeah, let's test it out and see how it performs. You know, coming back with tests in a couple of minutes. Ciao. And also my little helpers say hi. they're like Santa Claus minions, you know. See, the one it's with the electrical stuff, and the other one it's arranging the bricks so I can lay down the the metal. Okay guys, so now that you have seen also my little helpers, now let's talk a bit about the device itself. The device itself, in my opinion, it's a good device. It gets the job done, which is really important. I would like to add some notes for the producer of this device. They could put some better discs by default, because the one that comes with the device, it's not that much. It's like meh. It's not awesome, neither bad, but it's a bit thick. It's having 3mm of thickness, which is, yeah, when you're doing precision cuts, it's not helping you. And I would like also to have a drop pin for that moment when you want to change from the 0° cutting to 45° cutting. It's more easy to have a drop pin to pull out, change it to 45 degrees, lock it, and do the cut. And if you want to go back, pull the pin out, lock it, you know, doing things like that. Because at the moment you have to get that inbus key, and you have to unscrew it, unscrew it, unscrew it. After that, change the position and screw it again, which is anyhow. But yeah, those are also my improvements. So the device itself. Yeah, and also another note that I would like to have on this device, when you're changing the discs, it would be in handy to have that guard, that protection from the sparks, to have a locking mechanism or some sort, because when you're changing the disc, that always come down, and you have to hold it in place with one hand, and with one hand to unscrew it, and it's a bit of a fiddling over there, you know. So yeah, that's all my that's everything that I have to say on this device. I'm continuously using it very happily, and yeah, like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next one.